In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Calendar to another account. If you're moving from an old Google account to a new one of the easiest ways to bring your calendar data with you is by exporting it from the original account and then preparing that file for use in the other account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to start that process clearly and smoothly. Begin by opening Google Calendar while signed into your old account. Make sure you're using the account that currently has the calendar events you want to move. This is important because the export needs to come from the original calendar source. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. After that, in the Settings area, find and click Import and Export. This section is where Google gives you options for moving calendar data in or out of your account. In the Export section, click Export. As soon as you do that, Google will download your calendar data to your computer. In most cases, the file will come as a zip folder rather than a single calendar file right away, so don't worry if that's what you see. That's normal. After the download finishes, locate the file on your computer, usually in your Downloads folder unless your browser saves files somewhere else. If the export arrived as a zip file, you'll need to unzip it before you can use the calendar data inside. On most computers, you can do this by double-clicking the zip folder or by right-clicking it and choosing the extract option. Once it's unzipped, you should see a .ics file. That .ics file is the actual calendar file used for transfer. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to keep this file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly labeled folder, so you don't lose track of it during the transfer process. Also, if you exported multiple calendars, you may see more than one .ics file, so take a moment to check the file names carefully. At this stage, your calendar has been successfully exported from the old Google account, and the file is now ready for the next part of the transfer. Taking a minute to confirm that the export completed properly can save time later and help make the rest of the process much easier.